Good morning, class. How are you? Fine. Okay. You see on your page and read it. What is there? See, examine the following sentences. The first one is Mohan says, comma inverted comma start, Sohan is telling a lie. Second, Mohan says Sohan is telling a lie. See in the picture, two boys are there, Mohan and Sohan. Mohan says Sohan is telling a lie. Sohan says Mohan is telling a lie. According to sentence 1, Sohan is telling a lie, and according to sentence 2, Mohan is telling a lie. Though the words in both the sentences are exactly the same, yet the meaning is different. So this difference is due to the difference in the use of punctuation marks. So what is the difference here? The words are same in both the sentences, but the difference is of punctuation marks. And due to those punctuation marks, the meaning of the sentences is totally different. Now see one more thing, one more slide you see. It is also written here punctuation, and see, read it. What is written here? Yes, read the following sentences. The earth says the student is round like a ball. See the second. The earth says the student is round like a ball. The same is also here. Both the sentences has the same word, but the meaning is totally different. And what is the reason of these different meaning? The reason is punctuation mark. Yes. Both the sentences are grammatically correct. However, the first one is senseless, whereas the second one is sensible. So it is the right use of capital letter and punctuation mark that has made all the difference. So 7th class, today we are going to discuss about capital letter and punctuation. So what is the topic today? The use of proper use of capital letter and punctuation. So see, first of all, it is capital letters. Everybody know there are 26 letters in our English alphabet, and capital are also there and small are also there. So today we shall discuss the capital letters, where to use the capital letters. See the first one. To begin the first word of a sentence. So whenever we start any sentence, the first letter is always capital. Whenever we start any sentence, the first letter is capital. The boy knows me. He has met me many times. The T is capital or he, H is capital. The boy knows me. He has met me many times. See second one. To begin a speech within inverted commas. To begin a speech within inverted commas. The teacher said, let us start a new lesson today. The teacher said, comma inverted comma start. Let's start a new lesson today. So let's L is capital. One important thing is there when the speech is separated into two parts. See, note is written, when the speech is separated into two parts, the first word of the second part does not necessarily begin with a capital letter. Try to understand it from the example. I helped him, she said, because he needed my help. I helped him, she said, because she needed my help. Here I is capital, and because B is small, because the speech is separated by two parts. So the speaker is same, she, and the speech is separated in two parts. So the first letter is capital. Then see, for proper names means proper noun. Vijay, Ritu, Indore, India, Mount Everest, Ram, Mohan, Sita. Any proper name, they are always capital. The first letter is always capital. Then for the name of the languages, the name of the languages, the first letter is always capital. English, Hindi, Sanskrit, Gujarati, Malayalam. So these are the languages and the first letter is capital. Now see the names of days and months. When the names of days and months are there, the first letter is capital. Means from Monday to Sunday and from January to December. The first letter is capital. Then for the names of historical buildings, the Taj Mahal, the Golden Temple, the Red Fort, the Jama Masjid. So these all are historical buildings and the first letter is capital. Then for the names of books, newspapers and magazines, Treasure Island, the Times of India, the Reader's Digest. So these are the name of newspapers and magazines. So they are all also capital. For certain abbreviations, Mr., BA, MP, UN. For the important words in the heading of a story, an essay, an article, etc. See the example, the lion and the mouse. So the important words are lion and mouse. So they are capital. The is the first letter, that's why T is capital. The pleasure of reading, science in the service of man. So all the importance in the heading of the story, essay or article, they are capital. Now for the names of institutions, Government College Faridabad, the name of our institution. So they all are first letter is capital. And the last one is for the pronoun first person singular I. I is always capital wherever it may be. So I think it is clear to you. Let us try to solve one exercise on the basis of this capital letters. See here. See the first one. Bill Fuller, the postman, whistled cheerfully as he pushed his bicycle up the hill towards old Mrs. Dunley house. So first of all, see Bill Fuller. It's the name. B and F are capital. Then in the last, Mrs. Dunley's house. M and D, they both are the names. So they will be capital. Then see second one. One Saturday evening, Mr. Kapoor visited us. One, because it is the first letter of the line of the sentence. Then O capital, Saturday, day's name S capital, evening, Mr. abbreviation M capital, Kapoor, name K capital, visited us. One Saturday evening, Mr. Kapoor visited us. I was waiting for a long distance call from Mumbai. I is always capital. We have discussed it. And also it is the first letter. Was waiting for a long distance call from Mumbai. M capital. Why? It's a proper noun. Then fourth, on May 1st, we are planning to hold a dinner to celebrate the 4th anniversary of Government Senior Secondary School, Rohtak. On O capital, May M capital, we are planning to hold a dinner to celebrate the 4th anniversary of Government Senior Secondary School, Rohtak. So it is the name of the institution. So all first letters will be capital. Government Senior Secondary School, Rohtak. Okay. Now see fifth number. Sardar Patel was a man of practical outlook, believing in action. He was a man of few words and big deeds. Sardar Patel, proper noun, S and P capital, was a man of practical outlook, believing in action. He. The new sentence begins, so H will be capital. He was a man of few words and big deeds, full stop. I believe in God, said Satish. I capital. Believe in God. For God also, we are to write G capital, said Satish. Satish is the name of a particular person, proper noun, so S capital. Get in, I said impatiently to Nalini. Get in, G capital. I capital, I said impatiently to Nalini, N capital, proper noun. The Guide, an enhancing novel by R.K. Narayan, is about Malgudi and its people. The Guide is the name of a particular book. The and G both will be capital. An enchanting novel by R.K. Narayan. Then it is also the proper noun. R, K and N are capital. Is about Malgudi. It is the name of a particular place. M capital and its people, full stop. Dickens' skill as a novelist reached to its height in David Copperfield. Dickens is the name of a writer, and then David Copperfield is the name of a particular book, so they both will be capital. It is Valmiki who wrote the Ramayana. It, I capital, because it is the first letter of a sentence. Valmiki is the name of a particular person, V capital, who wrote the Ramayana. Ramayana is the name of a particular book, holy book. Then it is R capital. The Times of India is an important English daily. The Times of India is the name of a newspaper. Then T and I will be capital. And English is the name of a language. Then E is capital. I read in a famous public school. I capital. Then 13th number, I shall do, said Preeti, whatever my parents ask me to do. I capital. Said Preeti, P capital. Whatever my parents ask me to do, it is full stop. Preeti spoke the sentence in two parts, then only I will be capital, W will not be. In 13 number, see 13 number very carefully. Then 14th, the Birla Mandir is the name of a religious building in the capital of India. The Birla Mandir, name of a particular place, historical building we can say. Then the T, Birla B and Mandir, M capital, a religious building in the capital of India, I capital. Oh diamond, diamond, said Newton to the dog, you little know the mischief you have done me. Oh, O capital. Diamond is the particular name, then D, both the D are capital. Said Newton is also the name, then N capital. You like no mischief you have done me. So it is all exercise today. We have done it. We have discussed the exercise and I hope you are able to solve it now. So solve this exercise in your book and I think it is clear to you. If any problem, you can ask me, you can call me. Okay? Bye students.